Welcome to a world where money no longer buys comfort, it buys altitude, exclusivity, and immortality in design. This isn't just a tour of luxury. This is a journey through the sky, where the air is thinner, and only the billionaires breathe it. High above Manhattan, Dubai, Tokyo, and London, there exists a new breed of homes, sky mansions. Not penthouses, palaces. They are wrapped in glass, carved by world-renowned architects, and engineered to defy both gravity and imagination. These homes aren't built for living, they're built for legacy. Each design tells a different story, of ambition, power, and a level of aesthetics so precise, it turns concrete into art. One penthouse soars above Central Park with 360-degree skyline views, ceilings sculpted by Zaha Hadid, a staircase that spirals like a galaxy, and walls that turn transparent at a voice command. Another floats above the clouds in Dubai, where every window stretches from floor to heaven, and each room flows into the next like a dream. There's a private glass-bottom pool that hangs off the edge, suspended over 80 floors above the ground. This is architecture without restraint, where the rules of gravity, function, and even taste, are rewritten by those who can afford it. Some homes feature rooftop gardens with actual waterfalls, imported stone from the Italian Alps, libraries with rare books sealed behind glass, and even floating dining rooms, yes, floating, supported by hydraulic systems that raise them into panoramic sky views. In Hong Kong, you'll find a penthouse where the walls are made of jade, and the floors shimmer with real gold leaf, because when you have $100 million to spend, why not walk on gold? In Los Angeles, nestled in the Hollywood Hills, there's a penthouse with its own invisible security system, fingerprint elevators, and an infinity pool that literally merges with the Pacific Ocean on the horizon. But the most breathtaking part, it's not the pools, the views, or the private elevators. It's the feeling of looking out across a glowing skyline, knowing there are millions of people below, but only one place like this, yours. These penthouses aren't bought, they're reserved. The price? Somewhere between $50 to $250 million, depending on the city, the height, the materials, and the legend attached to it. And if you're lucky enough to step inside one, you're stepping into a piece of the future. Artificial intelligence controls the climate. Biometric systems regulate who enters. Solar paneling powers private spas, and even the art on the wall changes with your mood. The designs, some are minimal, pure white, sleek, echoing with silence and space. Others are maximalist, filled with rare artifacts, marble imported from forgotten empires, chandeliers made of crystal harvested from deep earth mines. One in Singapore even features a helipad on the roof, because when you're that rich, landing on your balcony isn't just a fantasy. It's a convenience. And what do these billionaires really buy, beyond the walls and marble? Privacy, air, distance from the chaos below. They live where the noise doesn't reach, the traffic doesn't crawl, and the only thing surrounding them is sky, light, and silence. Some call them arrogant monuments of excess. Others see them as the pinnacle of human ambition, a place where design meets technology, where money bends reality, and where homes become more than shelters, they become statements. This is the age of vertical royalty. And these penthouses, they are the new castles in the clouds. From the twisting towers of New York to the golden peaks of Abu Dhabi, from Tokyo's Zen-inspired glass cubes to the eco-floating villas in Miami, each one is a masterpiece of modern wealth. And while most will only see them in magazines or videos like this one, a few will own them. A smaller few will design them. And only the rarest of us will understand the mindset that builds them. So ask yourself, if you had the money, would you rise above the world too? Would you build your dream, among the clouds? Welcome to the Billionaire Skyline. Let me know if you'd like a version with a deeper, cinematic tone, or one customized for a specific city or style, e.g., minimalist penthouses only, eco-luxury, futuristic tech homes, etc. Tools.